How to use Delta Miles for flights. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the website of Delta Miles and you can just sign up if you are a new user or log into your existing account if you already have an account. And after that, just simply open up the menu of this particular website. Now you will be able to see the home option, book and check-in and trips. In case if you want to see the trips, just simply open up my trips section and you will be able to see all your trips. And in case if you want to book a flight, just simply click on this option of book. And now just select your destination and your departure point, and also select whether you want a round trip or it is a one-way trip or the other options as per your requirements. And in case if you want to go for the advanced search, just simply search for advanced and select the options and then just simply go ahead. And this way you would be able to see all the flights related to this particular destination and according to your needs and requirements. And this way you would be able to book the flights. But there are some tips that I would love to give out to you as an experienced user of Delta SkyMiles. The first tip is that use price calendar of Delta SkyMiles. This way you would be able to find the best deals of Delta SkyMiles and you would also be able to find the cheapest flight day for Delta SkyMiles and also book during flash sales. This way you would be able to save a ton of money and find the cheap flights. Other than that, book a round trip. It costs way less when you book a round trip or a multi-city trip. This way you would be able to save money. Usually round trips cost even lesser than the multi-city trips. And the bonus tip is use Virgin Atlantic Flying Club instead of SkyMiles. Yes, you heard it right. They have the contract, so you can just simply go ahead with Virgin Atlantic Flying Club in order to find better deals. Just be flexible with it and you would be good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.